What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up the Crown Zenith tins, these Galarian bird tins. I got one of each, so let's dive into that. Okay, as you can see, I got one of each of the Galarian bird tins. We've got Moltres and Galarian Zapdos and a Galarian Articuno, and each one comes with a promo card, 5 TCG booster packs, and then we've got a code for y'all. So let's dive in. Okay, you guys, here we go. We got our first pack of the 5 tins. We got 15 packs, so let's just jump into it. Yeah, here we go. There's the code card. We'll do the pack trick for a few of these. Get through this video so it's not too long for you. Got Corphish, Oddish, Seal, Cricketot, Aaron, ooh, Bibarial, and ooh, a trainer autograph, Bay. There we go. Okay, right off the bat. Okay, we do have a giveaway. We're going to draw for a giveaway, so stay tuned for that from last week's video. We got to pick a winner in this video, so we are giving out this Team Up booster pack, and in order to participate in the giveaway, I wanted to know your favorite Team Up. It could be any of your favorite 2 Pokemon. So got Ponyard, ooh, Reverse, Bede, and Berserker. So yeah, that was how you enter. You just said let me know in the comment section of the video what your favorite Team Up would be. There's the code card. Got Shinx, Larvesta, Ponyard, Wilmer, Pokeball, Metang, and Helolisk. And there's the energy card. But yeah, that was the requirements. There's the code card. Forgot to do the pack trick on that one. Hopefully we can get some really cool cards. I still haven't gotten Mewtwo or Pikachu. We got something though. Ooh, Electivire. I love that one. And it's got Magmar color in the back. Wailord. Check that out. That one's beautiful. Let's set that down. So far we're doing pretty good. Maybe we'll get some gold. Pull another gold. That'd be kind of cool. Ooh, water energy. Okay. Great Ball, Sunkern, Coffee, Saladit, Purloin, Grubbin. Ooh, okay, that's my first shiny energy, like for myself. I've pulled them before, but not for myself. And we got Volcarona. Yes. Okay, so we got a fire. Love it. Okay, let's see. Alright, so that was pretty much the first tin. This is the second tin. I got my tins from a local game store that sells trading card stuff. So, ooh, Leaf Energy. And I wanted to get one of each because I like to collect the promos. Emolga. Ponyard. Ooh, wow. Galarian Gallery's Aurora VMAX. That is pretty. It's got some nice texture too. That's cool. Ooh, and we got a Leon Hollow. Wow. That is beautiful, guys. Alright, let's keep going. Gotta pause for a second and enjoy the artwork. I didn't know that was in there, that card. I really want to pull the Charizard, the Radiant Charizard. I think I might have gotten one or two of the other Radiants, but not the Charizard. Scyther, Pokeball, Scizor, and Lipard. These wrappers. There we go. There's the code card. Bisharp, Graveler, Riolu, Yungoos, Cherubi, Switch, Yenma, and Tauros. Okay. We got 6 more after this, and then we will draw for the winner. So just stay patient for me. Enjoy the card opening. You know, Leaf Energy, or Grass, whatever you want to call it. Kricketot, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Krokorok, and Lycanroc. Okay, this is pack number 10, I believe. There's the code card. And let's say Electric. Gearfrig, Pokemon Catcher, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, Comfey, Galarian Gallery, and Snorlax. Check that one out. That one's pretty. Comfey. I love the purples and the pinks. Okay. I'm going too fast for the code cards. Just put the video in slow-mo on YouTube's end, or you can go ahead and pause it, grab the code card, and ooh, we got something. We got Turtwig. Sweet. Ooh, and a Nessa. We're getting all the autographed ones. This one's got a hollow bleed, if you guys can see that. Yeah. The hollow bleed. Yeah, right there. You see that? There's the Turtwig. I believe this one's part of 9 that all make one big picture. I was watching a video earlier and it said the Crown Zenith single prices, like on eBay and stuff, are going down. So if you guys want to pick up some cards that you don't have in your sets, just go online and just buy the singles. Ponyard and Luxray. If you guys wanted to save money, got 3 more packs left, and then we're gonna draw for the team up pack. I got it loaded and ready to go on my computer. The video's all queued in there. Ooh. And yeah, we got quite a bit of entries, so good luck to everyone. Seal, Potion, Seal Reverse, and Whale Lord. 2 more packs. Kind of weird. Okay. This one feels thick, this pack. Fire Energy, Rescue Carrier, Digging Duo, Yanma, Cricketot, Shinx, Sunkern, and Tauros. Okay. Last pack magic. If you could do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop me a comment down below if you like the video, what you'd like to see me open. I got Mimikyu EX box opening for the next week's video, so if we pass 700 subscribers, or if we even get to 800 subscribers, then I'll do another giveaway. We're really close to passing 700, so I believe we'll have a giveaway. I'll give away something in the next video. But I appreciate y'all for sticking around and watching the videos, and we're gonna get to that giveaway. Lost Vacuum and Tenga Growth. Nothing for the last pack magic. Let's do a recap of all the cards we got, and then we'll do the giveaway. Okay, this is a recap. All the holo autograph cards, I believe there's 4 of them, and we might have gotten all 4 of them. I don't know, but anyways, we got Bay, Leon, Nessa. Oh, we just got 3. Okay, that's okay. All right, and then these are the promos: Articuno, Moltres, Zapdos. We got the Galarian Gallery Bibarel, Electivire. Got the foil energy. We got Comfy, Turtwig, and then this one was the best one in my opinion. We got the Zeraora VMAX. Okay, you guys, let's get into that giveaway. Got the video pulled up right here. Filtered duplicate users, and then we're gonna go down, type in the equation, get our comments. We got 13, and then we are gonna start the raffle. Good luck, and yeah, remember, in order to win, you had to tell me your favorite team up of Pokemon. So like, it could have been any 2 Pokemon that you thought would be a good team up. So here we go. We'll read the comment. Dakota Ghost said, definitely Umbreon and Darkrai. Congratulations, Dakota Ghost. Shoot me a tweet on Twitter or send me an email, and we'll get it all sent out to you. Thank you all for watching. If you could, again, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, comment, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.